Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SRTechUp Official. As part of Linux and Shell Scripting Basics course, this is the day 8 video. In this day 8 video, I'm going to cover Linux file permissions. I will show you how to change the file permissions, file or directory permissions or folder permissions. Yeah. In previous session, that means in a day 7 video, I covered Linux user management. In that video, I showed you how to create user and groups, how to add user into the group. Also, I explained clearly what are the advantages to adding user into the group. Yeah, fine. So before starting today's topic, please subscribe my channel to get more technical videos. Also, you can get free cloud courses like AWS, Azure, and others. Also, you can get interview question and answers series. Yeah. Also, like and share these videos so that it will reach a lot of people and it will help a lot of learners who wants to learn cloud courses with free of cost. Also, it will help a lot of people who wants to crack their DevOps interviews. Yeah. Coming to today's topic. Today's topic is file permissions. See, here we can manage Linux file permissions in two methods. One is numeric or octal method. So this is the most used method in DevOps. As I told you a lot of times in this series, I'm covering this series, Linux series, in a DevOps point of view. So that is the reason I will go in depth and I show you how to use this first method, numerical method. The second method, symbolic method, this is also very easy and I'm not going in depth, but I will show you how to use this symbolic method. This is very easy. Yeah, now let me just create one folder and I will show you. Yeah, today I'm going to use Linux virtual machine base, which is created in my Windows laptop. I'm not using AWS EC2 instance today. Yeah, let me create one folder, mkdir. You know, I have already covered all these commands, mkdir, srtech. Yeah, ls-ltr view. Yes, srtech. Copy this output and I will explain. Copy and let me just paste somewhere in Notepad. Yes. Now, yeah. So this is the output. Just see what this D indicates. This D indicates it is a directory. If it is a file, it will show a hyphen. Yeah, fine. Now here. In this files and directories, I covered all those things. Yeah, see here, rwx, rwx, r-x. There are three sets of permissions here. rwx is one set, second set is rwx, third set is r-x. There is no w in third set. I will explain you clearly. First, let me separate this. First set and second set. This is the third set. Fine. Yeah. Leave about this fields. Fine. Now I explained about this. This is the user and group I told you in user management. First set. Let me talk about this first. This permissions. Yeah. R means read. R means read. Also, this you should know some numerical values for this permissions. R value is 4. Write value is 2. Yeah. Now X means execute. Execute value is 1. Fine. Now RWX, read, write, execute. This also read, write, execute. But this set of permissions will be applicable to owner. Owner means who has created this. First set for owner. Second set for group. You know what is group, what is owner, user or owner. Yeah, fine. Third set for others. Others means everybody. Everybody comes under others. Yeah, fine. Now, owner or user. So this first set, read, write, execute permissions are applicable for owner. That means owner will have complete access. Owner is having complete access here. Read access, write access, execute access. Second set, group. This group also having read access, write access, execute access. And this third set, others, as having only read and execute permissions. So this one, hyphen means no write permission for others. See here, let me repeat again. First set of permissions are applicable for owner or user. Owner is having complete permissions. That means read, write, and execute. This second set of permissions is applicable for group. So for example, my name is Prasad. I am the owner. This is applicable for me. I'm into DevOps group. So this second set is applicable for that DevOps group. That means these permissions will be applicable for all the people who are in that particular group. Fine. Third set of permissions is applicable to others. Others means everybody. You and X, Y, Z, anybody. Now, what is this permissions value we will see now? Yeah, first set, read, write, execute, right? Here, read value is 4. Write value is 2. Execute value is 1. That means total value is 7. Yeah. Now, second, owner, see group, write, execute. Same here also. 4 plus 2 plus 1. That means 7. Now, again, others, read, hyphen, execute. That means, what is read value? 4. Plus, there is no write here, write permission. That means it is a 0. Fine. Now, plus execute. Execute X value is 1. That means this value is 5. Yeah. Now, if you want to tell in one line, this total value is 7, 7, 5. Yeah. Now, if you want to give write access also to others, how can we do? Here, go here, just add that write permission. What is the value of write? Second. Yeah. Now, if you want to remove execute value for group, you can just make it 0. That means total is 6. Like this you can just change. I'm not going to change here. Now, yeah, I'll give 1. Now, I will show you one use case, then you just practice. That means you just remove some write permission for group and try it, and you just remove some execute permission for this others. You just try in different use cases. Now, right now, what I'm going to show you, to how to add this this write permission to others. So I'm just adding this to. Okay, let me just change. So what is the command to change the permissions? Chmod is the command. Chmod, and this one, it became 7 here. 777. Yeah. Now, SRTech, we'll see. See, this is the folder. If you want to applicable these permissions for subfolders and files which are inside this directory, you can just add -r. R means recursively. Then if it is a file, not required. Just give like this. Okay. Yeah. Since it is a folder, I'm just giving R. Now, let me just use this command and change the permissions. Yeah. Now, enter. Yeah, give ls-ltr. Yeah, see here. So this is the SRTech. And now let me just copy. Others also got full permissions. See here. Others also got full permissions. That means this is the first set. This is the second set. This is the third set. See here RWX. Now what you want to do, so this means 777 means full permissions. What you want to do, you just try in this way. Now after watching this video, you just remove some write permission for group. Also you just remove execute permission for others. So that will just make it 0. That's it. You just calculate in this way and you just practice. If you have any doubts, please drop in comment section. I will clear your doubts. I will just. This is the first method, numeric method. Yeah. What is symbolic method? So this symbolic method is very easy, guys. Symbolic method is very easy if you compare with numeric method. In numeric method, you should remember these values, but in a symbolic method, no need. Fine. Now what I will do, I will just remove this permission. That means I will make it as it is. I will just remove this write permission. So there was no write permission initially, right? I added write permission to others. But now by using second method, symbolic method, I will remove it. Let me just chmod is the command. Command is same. And yeah, here user, first set of permissions is for user, right? Yeah, u equals to RWX. This is very easy. And comma G, group equals to RWX. Yeah, now O equals to RX. RX. We'll see. Okay, fine. Now SR text. Now copy this command. Command is same. chmod. Paste. Enter. Yeah. Now ls-ltr. Yes. See here. Now I just removed that write permission for others. Copy. Let me just show you. And we can say again. See here. Yeah. What command I have used for this? This. No need to remember this numerical values, nothing. No need to calculate. If you go with second symbolic method, fine. But one thing you remember, guys, in real life projects, mostly we will follow the numeric method. Okay, even it doesn't mean that nobody will follow this. You can follow this also. Yeah, find this, and yeah, I will come with the next video. So day 9 video. Keep watching my videos. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. It will help a lot of people actually.